Work from home. Best remote jobs hiring now. The rise of remote work has transformed the job market, offering flexibility, better work-life balance, and the ability to work from anywhere. Today, many reputable companies are actively hiring for work-from-home positions, making it easier than ever to start a remote career. One of the most in-demand remote roles is customer service representative, with companies like Amazon and Concentrix frequently hiring. These positions usually require good communication skills and a stable internet connection. Virtual assistants are also popular, especially among entrepreneurs and small businesses looking for help with scheduling, email management, and social media. Tech-savvy individuals can explore roles like web developer, UI/UX designer, or software engineer, many of which offer competitive salaries and long-term contracts. For those with writing or editing skills, content writing, copywriting, and proofreading remain strong remote job options. Online teaching and tutoring are growing rapidly, especially in fields like English, math, and science. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors are frequently hiring. With remote work becoming the new norm, it's a great time to explore opportunities that align with your skills and lifestyle. Stay updated on job boards like Indeed, Remote.co, and LinkedIn to find the best remote jobs hiring now. For applying this job, check the description box, then click the link and apply. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like this video and put a comment. For more updates, subscribe my channel.